Hi everyone and welcome back to Crystal Dream channel. Today's tutorial I want to show you how to make this wonderful hair clip using some Miyuki Magatama 4mm, and of course at the bottom you can see them, but I used some 4mm fine polished beads. So let's get started with the material I used. Of course, I remind you that all materials are available on our website www.crystaldream.es. So I used Miyuki Magatama 4mm size, then 4mm fire polished beads. I chose black color, then Miyuki seeds 11/0, then a metal hair clip is a base. You have different sizes. In my case I used 50 millimeters long, and then as always thread. I used fireline, then 2 needles and scissors. First of all I want to tell you that you can subscribe to our website in order to stay updated with all our tutorials and to join all our full website shop. So you can click here and create a new account today for free, and you will enjoy a special coupon code, promo code that will give you right now. The promo code is YouTube 2019, and it gives you 10% off on our website. Okay, first we start with preparing a couple of meters of thread. Then I insert 1, 2, 3 and 4 fire polish beads in it, and I shift them until the middle, until the center of the thread. If is it 2 meter, I shift them until the center, that is 1 meter. Then I repass the other extremities inside this bead I just inserted in the other side in order to cross both extremities in it. And I pull the tips, and done. As you can see, I create something like a square or a cross that is composed by 5 polished beads. So now we have to do the same, because for my hair clip that is 50 millimeters, I need to build 8 cross. So I insert another new fire polish beads in one tip, then another one in this tip, in the other one, then a new one, and then I will cross the other extremities inside it in the other side. Then by pulling both extremities I will get my second cross done, and here you are. It's like an 8 now. So we can follow doing the same. So one in the left tip, then another one in the right, and then a new one in one of these two, in this one, and then I cross the other extremity inside it again. So now I got 4 squares or 4 cross. And here you are. I move forward, so now I have 7 crossed, and now I build the latest one in order to show you how to continue. So I insert a new one on the left, then a new one fire polish beads on the right, and then a new one, and I cross the extremities in it. And here you are. This is the length I need for my hair clip. So now we have to build the top of the body of our hair clip. So I will take some magatama in black and jet hematite colors, and some 11O Miyuki seed beads. So I take the first magatama, I insert it here in one extremity, then another one black in the other extremity, and then it's very similar to what I did before, but it's not by crossing, but is by inserting both extremities in the same direction inside a 11O seed bead. Then by pulling them, I will get them stuck. Then I insert a new one, black, and another one. And now, without crossing inside a new seed bead, I will cross inside these fire polish beads I have at the bottom. So the tip in one direction and the other one in the other direction. Sorry, probably before I got a mistake. I told you to not cross inside the seed bead, but you have to cross it. Sorry, I said to insert both extremities in the same direction, but it's not. It was not. You have to cross them in it. And here you are. So I get my Miyuki Magatama stuck to the base. When I say base is the body composed by the black fire polished beads. How to follow now? So I will do the same but with the other color. I will take the hematite Magatama, one in this tip, then another one in this tip, then I take an 11O Miyuki, I cross both extremities in it. Then by pulling the tips I will get them stuck at the bottom, then a new hematite one on the left, another new one on the right, and then as I did before, you have to cross the extremities in the fire polished beads correspondent that I have at the bottom on the base. And here you are my results so far. So you have to repeat all the same step until the final, until the other extremities, until the other side of the body. And here you are, I move forward. I left the latest one in order to show you how to continue. So I insert a new Magatama, I needle the tip, it's very comfortable to use needles. Insert a new Magatama on the left, another one on the right, and then I cross both extremities inside the 11O Miyuki. Then again, another Magatama, one on the left, another one on the right, and I will cross both extremities inside the fire polish beads I have at the bottom on the base. Using toward the left, and the other extremities inside the fire polish bead toward the right. And done. This is the body. So, what shall we do now? We have to fix our body inside, not inside, on the metal hair clip. So, how we can do this? As you can see, my hair clip has two holes. You can open it easily by a simple clip. We have to sew the extremities of this part I just built to the two holes I have on the metal hair clip. So we move until these fire polish beads, because 50 millimeters require that you have to move back one square on the body at the bottom until this 4 millimeter fire polish bead. Then when you get both extremities going out from this bead, you can pass both extremities inside the hole of the metal hair clip in this way. Very easy. And then we have to go to the other side, bypass both extremities at the bottom of the metal body of the hair clip, not inside the beads. By simply passing it, well, I repass inside it again in order to get them stuck. For sure, is to ensure my work. And then with both needles I will pass them at the bottom of the metal hair clip. Until to get the other hole. You can pass inside the beads as well, but it's not necessary to do that. Of course, that would be, it will give you a better result because the thread disappeared. But I think that passing at the bottom is enough to get a very, very good result. Oh, I'm sorry, I got into trouble right now. Okay, done. Then I pass inside the hole and I will sew the other extremities of the body as well. And here you are, I repassed inside the body again. Exactly in that point, that is not the latest 4mm fire polish beads, but in the previous one, like the other side. So I sew the thread by crossing both extremities in this one at this point, and then by pulling the tips I will get all the bodies more or less stuck. Okay, then now I repass the tips again inside the hole in order to ensure all the work. Okay, this is more or less the result. Remember that Magatama Miyuki are from Miyuki, very high quality Japanese seed beads, and there are a lot of colors in the market available, and different sizes as well. But I think that if you put 4mm fire polish bead at the bottom, you have to use 4mm Magatama on the top as well, in order to easy the work. Then I repassed inside the latest beads randomly if you want, before to make a knot. Then before to make a knot you have to join both extremities together. Choose where. Then by a double overhand knot you can close the work. When you have done it, you can pass the extremities inside a bead before cutting. This extremity here. And then I'm ready to cut. The first here and the second one here. And done. This is the result. I want to show you the other one I did before, that I did it using white color. And as you saw, it's very easy, so I encourage all of you to try making your own and to practice, to start learning new Miyuki and beads technique. This is by mixing different colors. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Happy beading and bye bye.